We just got a wonderful 5-star review from one of our newest and happiest customers. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And here is what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.